Toyota has been making a vast amount of improvements over the years to its 4Runner. Aside from being one of the most capable SUVs on the market, Toyota has listened to their customers and crafted the sport utility vehicle to be what the end user wants, either standard or with factory options. What if you want to do something a little extra? Vehicles are made to be modified and customized. With the 4Runner being a member of one of the most popular and reliable manufacturers on the market, Toyota, there are plenty of accessories on the aftermarket that you could add to your ride for under $300. Here's some of the most popular ones we found on forums, Facebook groups, and learned about from our loyal customers. The TRD Pro Grille for $175. The factory grille on the 4Runner is okay, but it can be so much better. While there are plenty of options out there, one of the most cost-effective solutions would be the aggressive styling offered from the TRD Pro Grille. Instead of paying thousands more for the TRD Pro package from Toyota that is full of features you probably won't need, this touch of styling is inexpensive and looks great. TRD Pro Shift Knob for $86. If you want to continue adding a little TRD Pro flair to your 2015 to 2019 4Runner, then the TRD Pro Shift Knob would be a great addition. It is one of the easier pieces to install and looks great over the boring factory one. While it may be subtle, the looks and feel will set you apart from the other 4Runner interiors out there. TRD Pro Center Caps, $18 each. The last bit of TRD goodness that fits in our price range are the TRD Center Caps for your wheels. Some people might give you a hard time for branding your ride as TRD if it's not, but who cares? They look good and add a touch of class to your 4Runner. These are for most 2020 and 2021 models and are directly from Toyota, but there are some options on Amazon for previous years. Running boards for $219. A great addition to any SUV are running boards. These make getting in and out of your vehicle easier, and let's face it, they look cool. While there are plenty of options out there, one cost-effective solution with high reviews would be the TAC running boards. They fit most Model 4Runners, and they are easily installed via bolts with no drilling or welding required. Tint. This is one of the most basic and rewarding modifications you can do to any vehicle. Not only does it keep your ride cooler when the sun beats down, but it stops wandering eyes from seeing who is driving the hottest 4Runner in town. The price depends on where you go or if you do it yourself. Durable floor mats for $125. If you plan on using your SUV as an actual sport utility vehicle, or if you deal with lots of rain, snow, or kids, you might want some tough floor mats. These mats from Husky for 2013 to 2019 4Runners are just one example of the options out there. Cargo mat for $81. An overlooked place to take care of is your cargo area in your 4Runner. Cargo mats protect your floor and carpet, provide slip resistance, and add a bit of touch of ruggedness to your ride. It helps add that sport in sport utility vehicle. This option from Husky fits 2020 to 2021 4Runners. Interior LED bulb replacement for $25. If you find the interior lighting of your 4Runner too dull, or perhaps you want something more long-lasting, then you can't go wrong with an LED bulb conversion. While you will have to pop out a few parts of your interior to get these installed, it's easy, inexpensive, and the results are instant and long-lasting. This kit from AutoGen will fit 2010 to 2021 models. Climate knobs for $52. If you really want something to pop in your interior, custom-colored climate knobs could be what you're looking for. These knobs from AJT Design come in 6 different colors, and the screws come in 4 different colors. Anytime backup camera for $72. Regardless if you tow a lot or just like to be able to see what's behind you, this simple kit allows you to switch on your backup camera anytime. Installation is easy with a couple connections, and once you're done, you'll be in control of your rear end all the time. Raptor grill lights for $55. Exterior lighting can really make a vehicle unique, and these Raptor-style LED lights do just that. They easily snap into place in your factory grille and wire up hassle-free. You can choose between amber or smoked amber. These are a bright idea to add to any 4Runner. Center console organizer for $14. This is one of those additions to your ride that you didn't realize you were missing until you get it. This $14 accessory will give you control over how you want to organize your center console. With slip-resistant mats and coin slots, you'll keep your smaller cargo contained and where you want it. This leads me to my next one. Glove box organizer for $19. While you can fit a lot of stuff in your glove box, you usually have to throw it all in and dig around later if you want it. With this little divider, you can control the clutter with cubby holes. Between this and the center console organizer, you'll never have to search for that lost pen again. We hope. LED fog light pods for $150. While LED light bars can become rather expensive, there are a host of other LED lighting solutions that are more reasonably priced. These fog pods from Cali Raised replace the dull, by comparison, factory fog lights with your choice of white or amber LED lighting. Durable, longer lasting, and brighter. LED ditch lights for $155. While not as subtle as fog light pods, these LED ditch lights with brackets add some great lighting when you're cruising the trails at night. If placed correctly, they will light up the areas in front of you that your headlights can't see, which adds an extra layer of safety when you're out in the dark. Cali Raised offers plenty of options to build the kit you desire. Rear window Molle style storage panel for $190. While there is plenty of room in the back of your 4Runner to throw in whatever you want, you may want to keep your smaller items more easily accessible and always in one place. These unique Molle style racks from Victory 4x4 install easily. They will not work for models with third row seating. Hatch Molle style panel for $159. If you want another unique storage option, this panel will take the unused space on your hatch and turn it into a unique storage location. While this does require some drilling to get it installed, it's pretty easy to complete, and the next time someone sees the hatch open, they will do a double take. Interior cargo basket for $299. Another cool one from Victory 4x4 is their interior cargo basket that gives you a second level of storage in the back of your 4Runner. While almost at the max of our budget, it is really a unique product that I feel is worth looking at. You do have to get 2 of their window storage panels to get this to mount properly though. Roof rack for $105. The roof on any vehicle can make some excellent storage space with the right gear, such as a roof rack. While I would suggest getting one made for your 4Runner, if you need something to use for just a few times, a budget universal one such as this can help get you by. Emblem Blackout for $45 or free. While the chrome badges all over your 4Runner look good, if you want something more sleek and subtle, then you might want to consider blacking them all out. You can get an overlay kit on Amazon that will place a blacked out version of the logo or emblem over the existing one. No need to worry about removing the factory ones. You could also grab a can of Plasti Dip and coat them yourself. That effectively makes this modification free. Seat covers for $200. Seat covers have come a long way. They once used to just protect your seats, but now they could do that while transforming the look of your interior. Stuck with cloth seats? Not anymore. Use your truck for work and don't want to damage the cloth? You're covered. Literally. Prices can vary depending on what you get, but here are a few to get you looking in the right direction. Molle seat covers for $57. If you need a little extra storage, but need it close and accessible, a Molle seat cover could be the solution. While it's always best to get something made specific for your 4Runner, these cost over $300. These universal ones will get the job done for most weekend warriors. Wheel spacers for $120. If you want an inexpensive way to add a little toughness to your 4Runner, wheel spacers are a great option. Not only do they increase your stability when tackling the elements, they improve the visual stance of your ride as well. Rough Country sells them in pairs and various widths. The Scosche phone mount for $14. I have mentioned this mount before when talking about Tacoma accessories, and I'll mention it again because I like it that much. It's simple but gets that job done. It will mount just about anywhere and will keep your phone in place right where you want it. Brush guard or bull bar for $135. A brush guard or bull bar is a great addition to any SUV for on or off-road use. They protect your bumper against branches and brush and even bad parkers in the city. If you plan on doing some serious off-roading where maximum protection is required, I would suggest a full-size guard that protects your whole front end, but for basic protection and looks, this kit from TAC will get the job done. If you like this kind of content, check out the link in the description to a link to our article that has links for all the products mentioned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about Tacomas, Tundras, and 4Runners. Thanks for watching.